Today, I'm going to be surprising my husband with his dream day. You guys know he's always the one doing things for me, but today it's my time to give back to him, all thanks to Boot Barn, and he gets home soon, and I can't wait. Come on, let's go.
What?
We're going shopping. We're going to Boot Barn. You can pick out any pair of boots you want.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not joking?
No, come